Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this really large trading card binder from Kuooking. And so I do want to thank Kuooking for actually gifting this to me. And so as a card collector myself, I can see a lot of use cases for this binder. And so I've actually have a card binder like this. And what I really like about the Kuooking is that first off, it's going to be able to hold 1,024 cards. So this comes particularly useful so that you don't have to have multiple different binders for the same collection. And so with this type of binder, all your cards could basically be put into one binder itself. And with this in particular, you've got the hardcover up front. You've got around, I'd say 4, 8, 12, 16 pockets per page. As you can see, also the cards or pages are side loading so that the cards don't fall off. You do have the zipper mechanism as well so that the cards stay in place. But with that being said, I can picture this card binder being used for card shows where you want to display a ton of cards all in one place, or if you want to keep your entire collection all in one binder. I've seen a lot of collectors where they have multiple different binders, but with this card binder, you basically can just put all your cards into one place. So this is going to be great for sports cards, MTG cards, Pokemon cards, etc. But definitely check it out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.